what it takes. Pump the concrete. Here we go again. This is Sushi Gourmet. We have a ramp set out for the customers. We have one set out for Wolf Camera. And we have barricades on each side to funnel the customers around, as you see. Here we go to show that we have the irrigation pipes. Here we go. This last section was just poured all the way down from World of Sound, Evo Spa, Sushi Gourmet, Wolf Camera. These people, we had to put exterior ramps to get people in and out. We have low overhead issues with ramps. These doors had to open out, so the doors had to stay open all day. We have to come back later in the evening at different times for the stores to remove the ramp so they can secure their store.